You fought your pocket and started. What's good, TCG? It's your boy Boski. We are checking out Soundwave Rap, Sound of Mind, Samurai Flows. We doing a Transformers track of this? We doing a fucking Transformers track of this? Transformers, my shit. Ever since Beast Wars, the OG. They hold my nigga Ironhide in the Michael Bay shit, and my nigga Jazz, but it's cool. What the fuck is this Playboy Cardi ass? What is this? What is this, bro? I don't fuck with these sound waves. What you doing, gang? I wasn't expecting this sound wave from a song called Soundwave.
Hey, hop on the plane, pop on the strappers, like time to go play. Wait, that what you said, flat strong, we just stay in your lane.
Okay, so that's my fault. I should have just let you got your shit off. That's my fault. You fought your pocket and started. Okay. I'm gonna run you back, bro. That's my fault, gang. I apologize, bro. Yeah, that's my fault, gang. I should have just let you play. My fault. That's my fault, bro. That last pocket was fucking crazy. The G1 type, by the time get past, but I find your path. We're doing the mass, and I go transform with the sound of blast. Like, go crash, still a constant, and I jump back, and soon go to it. Time in a minute, when I order about the minutes, be I say every bit, cause yeah, I'm missing my business. The sound way, they always just be it, right? I could really rumble, pull out frenzy in the fight. I be blasting to the circus, just and give them back. Then he took the other bus, that's the sound of mine. Hold on, bro. I was talking big boy shit. I was, cause how that bit came on. I wasn't fucking with it. Now that bit kind of, And the vocal filter on that was good. Since the bar wanna shine, go with his mind. Keep on the mat to the tie, put it in drive. Blood the killing its victory, then it be favorite mine. Now you feeling the rumble pack, adjusting the frenzy and double that. Cause I'm like a set and I love it back. Pass you when I see there's no running back. You losing me. Purple, wait, check out Mysteria, they come with a blessing and get up a server on me. Must be hit missing criteria. Message delivered, I've been ascending. Top on the legs, we share an experience. Do not forget what we done on your luck and you need in the lead. Now that sound we superior. Down way, they always just be it, right? I could really rumble, pull out frenzy in the fight. I be blasting to the circus just and give them back. Then he took the other bus, that's the sound of mine. Say I'm just a that's that Autobot, let me hit. It looks like Buddy went on a whole Transformers run. I gotta respect that, cause a lot of folks didn't give Transformers the love they needed, bro. From the animated TV shows to the movies, so I have to respect that. I was talking big boy shit in the beginning, I did, cause that shit sounded like Playboy Carly, and I wasn't. I said Playboy Carly. Ain't no way. That shit sounded like Playboy Cardi. But then you got into that pocket, and how you said that, I don't buy that bit kind of hit. It's my fault, gang. I apologize. I should have just let you rap. You the rapper. I'm not. You right. Make sure you smash that like button, because you can't like the video without liking the video. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you know when I'm always posting. And I catch y'all in the next one. Peace. About wanna shine, go with his mind. Keep on the mat to the tie, put it in drive. Blood the killing its victory, then it be favorite mine. Now you feeling the rumble pack, adjusting the frenzy and double that. Cause I'm like a set and I love it back. Pass you when I see there's no running back.
You get up my colors, doing a purple. Wait, check out Mysteria. They come in a blast and then get up a server on me. Lost me here, missing criteria. Message delivered, I've been ascending. Top of the ranks, we share an experience. Do not forget what we done on your luck and you need an elite. That's sound we superior. Damn, way